DevSecOps. What is DevSecOps? When we talk about it, and it's a well-used phrase now, but what does it, at a high level, what does it actually mean? So the term, so basically it's the inclusion of security within the DevOps practices. This session itself won't go into those DevOps practices. As I say, please have a look at some of the previous sessions we've run around DevOps to get a better feel for that. But this is focused on how do you build security into your DevOps pipelines, processes, your software delivery lifecycle. What does it actually mean? So DevSecOps is a in the same way that DevOps is, it's a collection of technologies, techniques, and mindsets with the goal to enhance security at every layer of the software development process and lifecycle. And as a whole, the point of it is to make your code and the software that you deliver more secure, but without slowing down that cadence of delivery that you get with from a DevOps approach. The two go hand in hand. And what does this mean? So it means that security is added into the lifecycle of the application. So it becomes a central part to the building and deployment where everyone's involved, and from developers through to the operational teams. Everyone has a responsibility around that security. It's no longer just a case of developers develop something and then goes to a security team at the end and they test it for pen test and whatever else. It gets chucked over the fence into operations, and then security is not thought about again for another year or until another code release or anything like that. So it's around baking in that security across the whole life cycle of your software and making it everybody's responsibility. Just a quick note. So a quick quote from Michael Hayden, who's a former director of the NSA and the CIA. So you should know what he's talking about. As we're all aware, technology moves on very quickly. As technology moves on, the ability to exploit it moves on as well. And so DevSecOps and some of the principles around it are all focused on the fact that you're almost certainly already penetrated. You are going to get breached at some point. It's how you deal with it and how you handle that and how you minimize the impact of that.